Every second, thousands of data packets move across computer networks. But how do professionals actually see and understand that traffic? Today we'll learn Wireshark. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer. It captures and displays network traffic. This helps professionals understand how devices communicate. First, install Wireshark from its official source. After installation, launch the application to begin analyzing network traffic. The interface displays available network interfaces, captured packets, protocol details, and packet information in organized panels. Select an active network interface and begin capturing traffic. Live packets immediately start appearing on the screen. Each packet contains useful information, including source, destination, protocol, timing, and other communication details. Display filters help focus on specific network traffic, making packet analysis much easier in large captures. A typical workflow includes capturing traffic, filtering important packets, inspecting communication, and understanding network behavior. Imagine troubleshooting a slow office network. Wireshark helps visualize communication between computers, switches, routers, and servers. Network engineers and cybersecurity professionals use Wireshark to troubleshoot connectivity issues, validate configurations, and understand network performance. Always capture and analyze network traffic, only on systems where you have authorization. Today you learned what Wireshark is, how to install it and capture traffic, inspect packets and use filters, and understand network communication. Next, we'll explore Burp Suite,